From Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to play your games offline on your PlayStation 5. Maybe you have like a lock symbol next to them or something, or it won't allow you to play. Well, this could be because you didn't allow offline play and sharing for your PlayStation 5. So we want to go up top to go to settings and then go down to users and accounts, and then under here we want to go to other and then go to this setting right here. This is called console sharing and offline play. Allows anyone who uses this PS5 to play your games and media even when the console is offline. So maybe PlayStation Plus or PlayStation is just down for the afternoon or something like that, or your internet got knocked out and you're not able to play on your games. Well, it's because you need to enable this specific feature right here on your account, and then you should be able to play. Now, if you're online, you're still encountering issues with the lock symbol, go to Restore Licenses right here. This should go ahead and fix those and verify all your game licenses. But once we go to this, there should be an option on here to enable it. So mine says disabled because I already have it enabled. But this will allow us to share our games and PlayStation Plus to all other accounts on our PlayStation 5. And we will also be able to play the games offline. So make sure you do this, and you won't encounter issues in the future. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.